Someone here could be trying to calm his or herself right here. Temperance with the Six of Swords. This person wants peace of mind. This person wants calmness, serenity. This person wants yung ano lang, magaan sa pakiramdam. Kasi parang meron siyang iniisip heavily. Yeah, this person wants to free him or herself from that situation. Alamin natin ano ba yun, okay? Kasi someone here is parang gusto niya rito maging peaceful and calmness. And I think this is the person right here who gave in into other situation. And that's what we're gonna find out. What is that? Pero hindi makalma eh. Hindi makalma yung energy niya to the point na parang this person shows a lot of, yun na nga, see, worried siya rito, no, na parang this person is trying to control this, nagpaplano rito, no, ng what's best for himself or herself na decision. Pero yun nga, no, as you can see, this is someone here, no, na nagpaplano pa lang dito, no, pero dahil nga may agam-agam, na parang meron siyang iniisip rito, no, but this person is trying to control his or her emotions right here, Emperor. Let's see what's next because you know, see, a decision na may pagdadalawang isip pa rito. At maybe may kinalaman dun sa parang gusto niya ng peaceful and calmness situation here, maybe involving you, but let's see what is that and what's going on in this situation. Ano pong nangyayari dito? Can you please show us? Can we have a clear message for this one, please? Yeah, because he or she thinks that you are his or her divine counterpart. Maybe you're close with this person, or maybe this is your person here. Because he or she thinks that you are the one for him or her. That's what I'm sensing. So let's keep moving. What's happening? What's going on? What's happening? What's going on? There's lots of worriedness right here. That this person tends and wants to come clean, tell something with you, be honest. Ano ba ito? Kasi nga, yung energy niya parang may pag-aalala, ganun. Pag-aalala, feeling scared, parang something is not right, feeling lonely. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's keep moving. Ilatag naman na natin lahat ng energies mga babes sa ating table bago natin simulan ito for you guys. Well, I must say, unahan ko na kayo, this reading is quite sensitive. So, maaaring hindi ito talaga mag-resonate for everybody. But, you know, just take how this resonates with you. If you feel connected and if you feel the vibe that this reading might be really for you, then this reading might be really for you. Okay, so let's see. This is highly sensitive. It will really not resonate for everybody. Okay. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna get this one here. Okay. So, Hey there, collective! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan mga babes, na bago natin to simulan, hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. Welcome kayo rito. Sana magstay kayo here with us. Yan, you may hit the subscribe button if you want so that maging updated kayo, and also the bell notification bell. Ano daw? So yeah, to the returning subscribers, thank you so much, no. Palagi kayong nandito, no. Yan, thank you so much, di kayo nagsasawa sa akin. No? Love niyo na ako. So mga babes, no? Okay. So yeah, of course, I love you too as well, guys, no? You did motivate me a lot. Sobra. So yan mga babes, no? Timeless ito, no? Wala tayong gender dito. LGBTQ mga mahal, welcome kayo rito, of course. Syempre, yan mga babes, no? At okay. Wala tayong time period. Okay, timeless ito. So yan. Pwede itong nangyayari na ngayon, nangyari na noon, pwede naman na mangyayari pa lang sa kasalukuyan. So, I'm seeing someone here. Actually, na pasok sa isip ko, no, yung truth or dare. You know that game, no? When you choose truth, you have to tell the truth. But if you do not want to tell the truth, pwedeng shot puno ka. Shot puno. Inom ka, no? Or you're gonna do the dare. Yan, no? I-dare ka, no? Para yun na lang yung gawin mo. Iba na lang, no? Para hindi mo na lang i-spill yung beans. But for this one, I think it's not truth or dare. It's truth or truth, but this person is like, dinidare niya yung sarili niya. Okay? Parang dinidare ko yung sarili ko. Kung kaya ko bang sabihin yung truth, kahit na alam ko na parang tagilid or tabingi or pwedeng hindi ko makuha yung outcome o resulta ng gusto kong mangyari. So, it's between truth or truth, wala siyang ibang choice. Kasi he or she cannot choose that dare. Hindi niya yun kaya. Hindi niya kaya yung dare. Okay? So this person is I'm seeing will spill the beans, will tell you the truth, will reveal you the truth about something. This person will confess the truth and nothing but the truth. This person do not want to lie anymore. What, Miss Yan? You said lie anymore? So, ibig sabihin, nag-lie siya sa akin. Yes, mga babes. But this person cannot continue that lie anymore. So, kung sino man to, I think this person right here is connected with you in a heart space level. At yung paglalay at pagsisinungaling na yun ay nangyari habang kayo ay may connection or kayo pa or kung sino man to. Doesn't have to be na siya ay ka-in relationship mo, no? Pero nakita ko yung iba close kayo nito, so pwedeng siya ay best friend, family member para sa iba. Pero sa iba, I'm picking up that this is someone here na person mo talaga. Like you claim that this is your person here. But somehow, since your person right here is a person, a human being, he or she is not exempted na magkamali. And he or she is naglalay at nagsisinungaling rin. But I'm sensing that this person, okay, I don't know what's going on or what happened between you guys, pero there could be somewhat options right here. There's a change of mind, there's a change of heart. Okay? And it has something to do with other options. Other energies might be. Pwede rin naman na third party na tao, pwede rin namang hindi tao, pero sitwasyon ang nagiging options dito. Okay. So, kahit ano yun, mga mahal, no? So, with this death card right here, kung 7 of Cups, so papansin mo na may dalawang pintuan sa likod, so maaaring mayroong options nga dito. And this person could possibly be ready to cut this connection here with you kasi maaaring nagkaroon dito no ng indulgement. Okay? Nagkaroon rito ng parang desire. Okay, to choose other options. But, hindi nangyari yon. Okay? Nagkaroon dito ng change of heart or change of mind. Mas naging matimbang ka. Yan. Mas naging matimbang ka. Yun ang nakita ko dito. No? Naguluhan man siya, pero hindi pa kayo naghihiwalay ng koneksyon, no, mga babes, na hindi pa nangyayari yung pagputol or pagkawala ng koneksyon na to, no, nangyari na yung line na yon, nangyari na yon, no, pwede kasing trinay niya na yung other options na yon, no, pero before this connection here with you ends, okay, na pwedeng dapat siya yung mag-i-end nun sa nakikita ko rito, hindi natuloy. Kasi nagkaroon ng change of heart, nagkaroon ng realization, nagkaroon rito ng realization, King of Cups energy, na ikaw yung mas matimbang. Whether that's a person na option, whether that's a situation going on noon, naging matimbang ka kesa dun. So, ang nangyari na to, no, it's now, this person is now deciding strength to observe energy. What is it that I need to do? It's like hindi ko kayang itago ito ng matagal kay collective. Because this person is realizing that he or she truly loves you, na sobrang mahal ka niya, sobrang importante ka sa kanya, okay? But this person is also realizing right here that he cannot keep any lie from you. So this person will tell you that kind of truth, kung ano man yon, na hindi mo nalaman, pwedeng hindi mo nalaman ever. Okay, kaya baka magulat ka rito. Sinubukan niya na i-distract yung sarili niya rito sa trabaho, no? Para lang talaga dayain yung sarili niya, Seven of Swords energy. Na parang tatry ko nga kung kaya ko talagang i-keep to sa sarili ko. Pero the thing right here, okay, alam mo nakikita niya yung mukha mo eh. No? Nakikita niya yung mukha mo, nakikita niya dito, naaalala niya kung paano ka mag-show ng importansya sa kanya, paano ka maging sensitive at maging honest sa kanya, no? At gusto niya na maibalik yun sa'yo. Nagkamali na siya dito, nakita ko na yung fault niya, nakita ko na yung mistake niya rito. Okay, nangyari tong fault na to, itong lie na to, itong mistake na to, no, during ng may connection pa kayong dalawa. So this person wants to keep you. Pero alam niya na hindi niya pwedeng i-keep yung truth sa sarili niya rito. So this is a choice between truth or truth. This person is natatakot siya dito na i-spill yung truth pero ready pa rin siya dito na aminin ito sa'yo. Okay, kasi sobrang na-realize niya rito na ikaw yung mas matimbang para sa kanya. Mas matimbang kaysa dun sa naging options or situation ngayon, no? This person still wants to tell you that, pero yun nga, no, nakakaramdam tayo rito ng nervyos, no, at takot, no, na baka pag nalaman mo yun, ikaw na mismo yung mag-cut sa kanya rito sa buhay mo, no? Pero this person still wants to be honest with you. And I'm seeing this person actually, baka umiyak pa to sa harapan mo, especially kung nag embody siya ng feminine energy. Okay? Doesn't have to be na when you say feminine energy, babae na agad, no? Kasi when we say feminine energy, no, this is someone here na parang mas malambot, mas mababaw yung luha kaysa sa masculine energy. So, kahit na lalaki pa ito, no, wala tayong gender dito, no, sinabi ko yung feminine energy kasi dito, hindi talaga kayang dalhin rito, no, ng matagal sa sarili niya at itago rito, paniwalain rito, no. Kasi para sa kanya, the more na tinatago niya yung truth na nangyari, yung mistake na yun, or yung bagay na yun, or yung lie na yun, no, hindi siya nagpapakatotoo sa'yo at parang isa ito na parang patuloy kanyang niloloko kung patuloy niyang itatago yun, no. Kung ano man yun, mga babes, no, hindi niya na yun pinili, tinalikuran niya na yun. Kung ano man yung klaseng third party na yun. Kasi iba-iba yung klaseng third party eh. Basta in-ignore niya na yun, okay? Kasi halo-halo kayo dito. Hindi lang naman ito tungkol sa third party na someone else eh, okay? Pero kung ano man yun, okay, nangyari yun at nagkaroon ng lie kasi nungalingan doon. Tinago niya yun sa inyo. Ready siya dito sabihin, pero yun nga lang natatakot siya dito no? Kasi gusto kanyang itago eh. Gusto niyang i-keep tong relationship, itong connection na to. Pero at the same time, ayaw niya nang may tinatago. Yan. Actually, problema niya yun. No? Actually, naiinis siya sa sarili niya rito kung ba't niya nagawa yung mistake na yun sa'yo. No? Pero this person wants to be honest with you. With the justice card right here, this person will reveal the truth. See, Ace of Swords to the justice. Alam niya na ito yung tamang desisyon na dapat gawin. See, oh, ayan no, tingin niya nasa on the right path siya rito. At nakikita kong decidido na siya with the number 11. Decidido na siya rito na ayaw niya rito magpatuloy na i-trick ka. No? Kasi para sa kanya, the more na hindi niya nare-reveal yung truth, the more na niloloko ka niya or feeling niya niloloko kanya right here, no? At hindi niya yun hahayaan or papayagan. So, yung iba, nakikita ko rito mga babes. Ito specific to ha, hindi to a-apply sa lahat, no? Pero yung iba, sasabihin niya yung truth after ng isang celebration. I don't know kung birthday mo yun o baka birthday niya or may birthday na malapit sa inyong dalawa or celebration, event, party, seminar, people gathering. After nun, sa kanya sasabihin. Okay? So, whatever the case may be, just take how this resonates. But this person is sobrang nire-regret niya yung lie na yun. Nagsinungaling siya, nagtago siya rito sa inyo. No? Pero nakikita ko rito na na-realize niya rito na mas matimbang ka. So, ready na siya rito aminin ang kanyang pagkakamali at baka nga umiyak pa siya or maluha siya rito. It is because this person right here is in this type of energy wherein natatakot siya na baka ikaw na mismo yung umalis sa connection after hearing the truth. Pero wala siya ritong choice kung ganun man ang gawin mo. Basta para sa kanya, maluwag na sa loob niya na inamin niya ito. No? Pero yun nga, no? Parang hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya kapag kasakali na tinalikuran at saka iniwan mo siya. Just because sinabi niya rito yung truth. Pero I'm seeing this person pushing through right here, making a decision right here to reveal. Yan yung dare niya sa sarili niya. Be honest with you and tell you the truth. Okay? Pero yun nga, no, sobrang takot na ikaw ay kumalas at talikuran mo siya. Okay? It's your judgment right here, honey. It's up to you, okay? Pero ito yung nakikita ko rito sa person na to. Kung sino man siya sa buhay mo, you're close with this person, yung iba ka, relationship niya talaga siya. Sa iba naman, pwedeng best friend yung ito or childhood friend. Sa iba naman, pwedeng close lang talaga kayo. Family member or baka relatives na close ninyo. So just take how this resonates with you guys. But this is someone here that wants to keep you because you're precious. You are like a chest of gold coins right here para sa kanya rito. No? At maaaring na-realize niya ito after mangyari yung mistake na yun or fault na yun or yung pagtago, lie na yun. So whatever the case may be, this person will still spill the beans kasi gusto niya rito na mag-show ng respect with you. Actually, ang nakuha ko dito, after nga nang gawin yung lie na yun or yung mistake na yun, no, like hindi pa nagtatagal yung panahon, na-realize niya na rito na mas matimbang ka talaga. So I don't know what exactly is that, but I'm sensing that this person is actually pinagsisisihan niya yung bagay na yun dito, no? Na parang nagpagulo pa rito ng sitwasyon at nagpagulo pa, okay, ng kanya ritong isipan at damdamin here. But this person wants to come clean with you guys. So, kung ano man yung sasabihin niya, maaari ikagulat mo, pero yun ay katotohanan. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So, yan. Ito mga collective, no, ang mga mensahe ko for you guys. Thank you so much, Sarah Ngayon Love and Life.